Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Audi A6 and how to gain access to your battery. So what happened is I had a completely dead battery and I couldn't gain access to the battery since the battery is in the trunk and the trunk is operated electronically. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The door's unlocked. But if I try opening the trunk, I can't get to it and my battery's over there. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to get into the trunk. So make sure your back seat is empty. And then you're going to climb into your back seat and look for this handle right here. And then you're gonna pull it and lay the seat flat. With the seat flat, we're going to crawl into the trunk. And inside the trunk, you're going to find a lever. So for the Audi A6, it's right here. You're going to just push it down, lift up the trunk. And there you have it. Now I have access to my trunk and I could reinstall my new battery and get my car running. And if this video helped you guys out, please make sure to hit the like and share button. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.